Okay, back on the Duster. This fan clutch here is one of those MOPAR Performance thermal clutch assembly, fan clutch. Came with the fan. It's a 6-blade fan. They're pretty wide. Actually, it's a pretty big fan. And might be a bent on this one here, but it's not. I guess it is bent. Anyway, this fan clutch here is, the shaft is way too long, so it brings it really close to the radiator. So I went to my stash and I found 2 fan clutches. This one is with this fan. This fan was with this clutch here, which is a MOPAR one. You can see the number right there. 2863259, but it is not a thermal one, but it's pretty tight. And I have this other one here, which is a thermal, but the good thing is they have the short shaft. And these right here, both of these measure like 2.5 inches from here to here. This is like 3 1/4. So it sets the radiator fan really close to the radiator. That's why I damaged it. So what I'm going to do is take this fan off and put it on this one here. I like this one because it's a factory MOPAR one. And if it doesn't work, at least I know which one to get. Hayden, part number 2947 or something like that, would have this one here. And the heavy duty one, which is this one, which kind of feels a little bit loose. This one here is a little bit tighter. I could feel that. We'll go that route, but right now I just want to get this on so I could, fire up the motor and break the cam in. All right, let's put this together. had the radiator repaired right here, so just these two. This one was cut, this one wasn't, so they went ahead and put some solder here anyway, but the core was fine. If I need to get another radiator for it, I will, but I kind of wanted to keep the original style instead of going with an aluminum one. Anyway, let's see if we got any clearance issues now and find out.